Hey YouTube, you guys had a great day. It's day 11 of doing this intermittent fasting and weight loss journey. I had a lot going on today, so did some errands around the house and unpacking boxes and stuff, moving into this new place. So didn't get my official workout in, though I did burn some calories doing this other stuff, but still want to log some time with some cardio officially, and then do some push-ups and sit-ups. We're supposed to be going to the park this morning too, so that's why I was saying why I get my cardio in that way, but just didn't get to it. So I think with me and the family, we're gonna go do some bike riding tomorrow, and yeah, get a workout in that way. But hope you guys are doing great, enjoying your Saturday so far, your weekend, and chat with you guys after the workout. All right, YouTube, another one in the books. Got the workout in. Once I got started, I felt pretty good, so I got these little weights here. It's going to show you don't need a whole lot. Sometimes volume is the key. These are actually my wife weights. They're like 10 pounds. I basically burned out as many tricep extensions as I could. Did as many curls as I could. Did some shoulder presses. That's an ab wheel in. I said like my first video, I was gonna keep it simple, but I felt good tonight, so gotta capitalize on those times when got a little momentum going. Got the trusty bike, did that. Then today, one of my chores, I mounted this TV here in the gym. So watched a little YouTube video, got some music going. But yeah, great day, productive day. Hope you guys, like I said, are doing well, staying safe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty.